Luxurious Charters has launched a new guide covering all the benefits of flying on private jets. Villiers' global network instantly connects to the best private jet charters available in the marketplace. Once regarded as the domain of the rich and famous, private jet charters are now available to everyone. For business travelers, the flexibility of private jet charter far outweigh the perceived cost. Private jet charters require just 20 minutes for check-in, clear security and boarding. Check out the new guide today to learn more about flying with Villiers. Contact us at http://www.luxuriouscharter.com.